Hi, I'm Gerard O'Brien and welcome to the Woodenbridge Hotel Lodge in County Wicklow. Like many businesses, sustainability is obviously a key issue here at Woodenbridge Hotel Lodge, and we decided about a year and a half ago that we wanted to achieve carbon neutrality. The first step in that, we signed up to a programme called 50 Shades Greener, and this year we became the first hotel in Wicklow to achieve 50 Shades Greener status. The next step in that was just completed in March, and in partnership with EcoVolt we installed 74 solar panels on the roof of Woodenbridge Lodge. They're already starting to have a real positive impact in the hotel, and it's another step on our journey to carbon neutrality. We looked at many options before deciding to go with EcoVolt for the solar panels, but one of the things that impressed me most was that the speed of which it went from initial inquiry to the follow-up to eventually getting the panels installed. So I think all in it, we finally agreed the price in December, and I had the panels installed and in place by the end of March. So hopefully get to welcome you all soon to Woodenbridge Hotel Lodge, and when you do visit here you'll notice all the efforts we've made to achieve increased sustainability through the abolition of one-off plastics, through different cleaning practices in bedrooms and the solar panels on the roof of the hotel. As the years go on, we plan to do many more things. We're planting a number of trees here this year, and we're going to look at new ways of improving our heating and utility system throughout.